Very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Deepshikha Kala Sasthan, I welcome you all in this organization. Most of you have chosen the branch according to your choice, and I think most of you have selected electrical, mechanical, civil, EC. Now, if you go 4 years back, just 4 years, the top branch was CS and IT. Now again the cycle will come. आपको पता है साइकिल चलता है, ठीक है? तो those who have not taken the core branches are always royal. They are always royal, जो core branches हैं. But the opportunities are lot in the computers and IT sector. The cycle will come again, because when you will pass out, then it will be 4 years. And one thing more I will like to tell you, that sometimes the students ask very frequently that what is the difference between computer science and information technology. They are almost the same. In the you have total 8 semesters. 8 semesters. In each semester you study 6 subjects, except in the final semester, that is 8th semester, you study only 4 subjects. That is 8 multiplied by 6, 48, minus 2, 48, 46 subjects. Out of 46 subjects, 42 subjects are totally common in CS and IT branch. So it is very rare to differentiate between computer science and information technology. And here we are giving you the best opportunity as the management has provided. I hope the biggest facility in the computer labs in the Jaipur. We have more than 600 computers in our labs, and most of them has been provided with the internet facility. And one thing more I would like to tell, that this time the topper was from IT department, 89%, Ms. Bhavna Pandey. And something more I want to tell you. The first thing, you should not frightened about ragging. This thing I am telling you very frankly, because most of the students come to my cabin with their parents, and they were hesitant about the ragging. Then the class was going on, and I called some students from 3rd sem. I asked them that, will you take ragging? They said no. I asked, why you will not take ragging? They said, because we have not been ragged. मतलब वो ये कह रहे थे कि जब हमारी रैगिंग नहीं हुई तो हम अपने जूनियर्स की रैगिंग क्यों लेंगे? तो ये एक आपके भय को ख़त्म करने का बिल्कुल मेरे हिसाब से सही आंसर है. तो देयर इज़ नो रैगिंग. आई हैव सीन इट. बिल्कुल कोई आपसे अगर पूछेगा तो आपका नाम पूछेगा, कहाँ रहते हो, क्या रहते हैं. इसके अलावा और भी कोई भी आपको कुछ भी नहीं पूछना है. अच्छा, एक चीज़ तो वन थिंग आई विल लाइक टू टेल यू, द मैक्सिमम यू अटेंड द क्लास, द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स यू गेन. अगेन द सिंपल फॉर्मूला, मैक्सिमम अटेंडेंस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. ये तो समझ गए? जितनी आप क्लासेस ज़्यादा अटेंड करेंगे उतने ही आपके मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आएंगे. ये ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है, आप रिकॉर्ड उठा के देख लें. कोई भी जिसकी अटेंडेंस जो है बिलो 50 होगी, वो कभी भी आपको टॉपर लाइन में या एवर 80% नहीं मिलेगा. यस, द मोस्ट ऑफ आपको आफ्टर 4 years व्हाट यू वुड लाइक? द वन थिंग दैट यू विल फाइंड द जॉब. So the one thing is that the placement, the campus placement, and we have a lot of companies are visiting our company, our college, and you can get select from there. One thing more, most of you may be from business family. From getting this knowledge, you can enhance your business power, you can expand your business, and we have one entrepreneurship cell also in our college. So entrepreneurship, most of you know what it is. After 4 years, you may not be job seekers, you may be job givers. आप जॉब मांगने वाले नहीं होंगे, आप जॉब देने वाले होंगे. ये भी आप पर डिपेंड करता है कि आप 4 साल में अपने को कितना ग्रूम करते हैं कि हो सकता है 4 साल बाद आप अपना ही कुछ ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर खड़ा कर लें कि आपके पास ही आपके साथी जो है जॉब मांगने को आए. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर लिसनिंग मी एंड गिविंग मी टाइम. थैंक्स.
हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज हैं, वो सारे रिसोर्सेज आपके लिए हैं. हम जब भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होएगी, वी विल ऑलवेज विद यू. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. So whenever you have problem, don't focus on it, because you will have more problems then. Focus on the possibilities and you will have more opportunities. Now next I would like to invite Mrs. Shuchi Shukla, HOD Electrical, to please come on dais and speak few words of blessings for and welcome our new arrivals. इसकी पहले एक अनाउंसमेंट भी मैं करना चाहूँगी. जिन भी बच्चों के पास एसेसरीज़ की रिसिप्ट है, 5000 रुपीज़ की एसेसरीज़ की रिसिप्ट है, वो इस फंक्शन के बाद यहीं पे रुकेंगे और स्टेज से ही अपनी एसेसरीज़ कलेक्ट करेंगे. रिसिप्ट आप अपने पास रखिएगा, रिसिप्ट शो करके आप अपना सामान यहाँ से कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आई रिपीट, जिन भी बच्चों के पास 5000 रुपीज़ की एसेसरीज़ की रिसिप्ट है, वो आफ्टर द फंक्शन यू स्टे हियर, यहीं पे रुककर स्टेज से ही रिसिप्ट दिखाकर अपना सामान कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. नाउ प्लीज वेलकम मिसेस शुचि विद अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज.
A very good morning to all of you from present here. As we all know that we have gathered here to start first sem BTech classes. It is pleasure to me that I am here to welcome you in our RCRT campus. The RCRT campus has started in 2003. Since the RCRT has a corrosion in notion is opening a new arenas in educational field with different courses. Here we have BTech, MTech, MBA, BCA, BBA, management courses and pharmacy courses under one name. Now, being the HOD of an electrical department, here I have just initializing and or briefing in our department. In my department, they are so well qualified and most eminent faculty members and well settled, well equipments, set up labs. In this way, I have just to say that हम ये कह सकते हैं कि आप जो इस टाइम पे गेन करेंगे उस पे आप जस्ट फोकस कीजिएगा कि आपका योर स्टाफ मेंबर्स एंड फैकल्टी मेंबर्स इन आवर डिपार्टमेंट, दैट मीन्स इन इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट, आर वेरी कोऑपरेटिव एंड सपोर्टिव. जस्ट टू डिस्कस योर डिपार्टमेंट. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, इफ़ यू हैव फील एनी डिफिकल्टी, देन जस्ट आस्क टू आवर डिपार्टमेंट फैकल्टी मेंबर्स इन एनी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स. Definitely we will solve your problem and just be regular. Finally, I wish to welcome you in our campus and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. अब मैं जिनको बुलाना चाह रही हूँ वो बहुत खास हैं. ही इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. वाई स्पेशल? बिकॉज ही इज़ HOD अप्लाइड साइंस, योर HOD. साल भर आपको जिनके साथ रूबरू होना पड़ेगा. सो प्लीज जॉइन योर हैंड्स एंड वेलकम मिस्टर अजय जैन, HOD अप्लाइड साइंस, to come on dais and speak and give vote of thanks. Children, give him a big round of applause.
Respected Chairman sir, Principal sir and Registrar sir, and my dear colleague and dear students, I would like to welcome to all my students with open arms on behalf of RCRT College. Being the HOD of Applied Science, I meet many faces, many new faces every year, but some have impression on our heart with his or her skills and enthusiastic response. I would like to tell you, this is not the institute but a temple. You know, in temple many sects and religious people goes for pray for their development and their growth. In the same time, in institution, what you are doing? You want to do your growth and development in your life. So first of all, you have to remember these things, that we have to come for our growth, for our whole life. And I can see in many followers of or different part of our country, so they come here and assemble in a bouquet of RCRT. So you should remember that this is not the institute but a temple, and you have to growth, and you should be regular in college. And I think so the student who is very regular in this college, that always achieve a good marks in RTO university. And second thing is that you should not be fair, or you should we have a anti-ragging cell and discipline committee also. So I would like to request you all people to write down some of the numbers, mobiles number. If you have any problem in 24 hours, then you can just call and we will help you definitely. So I would like to request you people, please write down some of the numbers of discipline and anti-ragging cell. Mr. Jagdish Daga, 9414-034-567. Mr. Bhuvan Chandra, 9460-140-415. And me, Mr. Ajay Zain, 9414-714354. Mr. Girdhar Gopal, 9460-556908. Mr. Ajay Redu, 9549-261360. Mr. Lakshman Punia, 9413-449130. Mr. Ajay Sharma, 9414-262809. Mr. Madhumesh Sen, 9251-045-108. Mr. M.S. Chaudhary, Warden Boys Hostel, 9460-180-543. Mr. Mahesh Parekh, 9680-629-472. Nirmala Sharma, Warden Girls Hostel, 810-777-2956. And our principal sir, Professor R.S. Tiwari, 9460-986308. And I would like to thank all my respected chairman sir and principal sir, registrar sir, and my dear colleagues and dear students. You came here and participated in this program and successfully. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope you all had a nice time and you all are very comfortable now. How do you feel now? अब आप मुझे बताइए कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप लोग? Are you happy? Louder. Are you happy? Very good. And we are also happy to have you all here. Now I would just say 3 cheers for new students, and you have to say hip hip hooray. Is it okay? Let's have 3 cheers for all the freshers. Hip hip. Hooray. Louder. Hip hip. Hooray. One more time. Hip hip. Hooray. Very good. Now we close our function here, but you don't have to move क्योंकि थोड़ा सा मुंह मीठा कराने का प्रोग्राम भी है. सब कुछ मीठा मीठा हो रहा है. अच्छा, तो मुंह में भी कुछ मीठा होना चाहिए. आप लोग प्लीज़ यहीं पे बैठे रहिए and the snacks would be served to you here only. But the only request is, after having the snacks, the dustbin has been kept outside the auditorium. Please put the plate inside the dustbin. Okay, and please be seated here. The snacks would be served to you very shortly.